Hello everybody, this is a simple Christmas nail art tutorial that I'll be showing you today. And for my base coat, I will be using the Rock Hard. I purchased from Sally. This is my first time using this, but I will not be doing it on camera. I did it off camera. So as you guys can see, I'm letting you guys know that it's already on my nails. And we are going to use the Orally Breathable Strong Healthy Nails All-in-One formula. And it's called Stronger Than Ever. Then we're going to use one of the Kiss Stripies in the color red. Then we're going to use Sally Hansen Extreme Nails. This is called White On. Then as a top coat, we're going to use Out the Door. Alright, so now we're going to start with the Orally Breathable called Stronger Than Ever. And we're going to do 2 coats. So we're basically going to do the 1 coat first and then let that dry and then come back with another coat. As you guys can see, I am cleaning up my nails as well in between. I showed that a little bit because you guys know I'm about that cleaning up life. So try to clean up as you're doing your nails, okay? Just to, avoid, any other major things happening, okay? And as you guys can see, I always seal on the free edge. I do that because so that the nails can last, so that the nail polish can last longer. And they usually last about a week. And I'm just basically being careful with my nails as I'm painting them. Alright, now we're going to use the Sally Hansen White On as an accent nail. And this is where we're going to put the stripes for the candy cane. As you guys can see, I'm sealing it off and doing some little cleanup. And then I go back in with a second coat. I did let it dry first and did the other hand. And then I came back and did a second coat because it was a little see-through, so I didn't want that look, so that's why I did a second coat. But if you want that look, you could just do 1 coat and keep it moving. Alright, so now we're going to take the red nail stripey and we're going to swipe it. And you got to be careful because sometimes, your hand could be a little shaky, but you could always go back and fix it. Like, you could probably fix it with a white stripey. I didn't do that, but, I made like a big stripe and a little stripe, just to, imitate the candy cane type deal. So that's just basically about that. So this is just a real simple nail art that you can do to those of you that are not blessed with the drawing skills. So this will be very simple and very nice for you to do, okay? And that's basically it about that. And after that, you're going to put the top coat on and you guys will see that. Make sure your stripes are fully dry before you put the top coat because you don't want it to be streaky. And that's what kind of happened here. I did let it dry, but at the end of the day, it still was a little streaky, just a little bit. So you just want to make sure it fully dries so you won't get that streak appeal on the candy cane part, okay? So that's just basically about that. This was real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope this was helpful to you. And thumbs up the video if you want more videos like this on nails and things of that sort. And that's just basically about that, you guys. All right, you guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. Comes along. Then I'm marking 7J. Watching. Peace. Bye.